what business factors outside PPC matter most for growth on Amazon? Really, it has to do, besides advertising, it has to do with the listing itself. So what we've seen on our end. And for some reason, people or brands assume that just because you brought traffic to a listing, that's going to also convert at the best. And that if you're not converting it at the best, it's your fault as an Amazon ads manager that's not converting, when in fact it can simply be that the listing, it's not worthwhile for someone to go through and purchase it. So I think the most important thing is going to be the main image, because if someone is going to click within the listing, at least, then we know that they clicked within. So we got them curious, they clicked within the listing. But if they did not convert it, at least now we know that we have to improve on the side of how do we sell them, quote unquote, because that's what you're doing. You're persuading them. How would you persuade them to buy your product? I think that is the first thing, main image. Second thing is going to be also the rest of the images. Keep in mind that just because you have a good main image, it doesn't mean that you can neglect the rest of the images. That is actually a good proof that if you're going to improve the main image, but not the rest of the images, people are just not going to, you're going to lose trust even more, because people are not interested in buying a product. And also in Amazon Eyes, you're going to just generate more and more proof that whatever keyword you are trying to rank for and they click within and they're not converting, actually you're not relevant for it. So I believe that when it comes down to business factors outside PPC matter most for growth on Amazon, first off, making sure that you have a pretty face, quote unquote, when it comes down to, hey, are they willing to check you out at least? Because if not, then even the other business factors such as operations and inventory and overall understanding that it takes money to make money, those are things that at this point we cannot even discuss about. So just making sure that the listing itself, it's going to be optimized in such a way, and you're going to create proof for it via A/B testing to make sure that you are going to, once that you brought traffic, you're going to also make a sale.